Hi, in the previous episode, we built the ability to reset the password. However, the issue here is that for some reason, if I remember my password or if I want to give it another try, then there is no way to go back to the login page. So let's fix that. Here is my code, and I will open up these three statements, and these statements are very simple. All I'm doing is append a UI button which says go back to login button, and on tap I'm dismissing this view so that the login view will appear. So let's try that. And now I see a link which says never mind, go back to login. When I click on that, I go back to the login page. So before I go any further, I also want to show you the style sheet. So as I discussed in the previous episodes, this is the name, go back to login button. This is the name of the method that will be invoked on the style sheet. And here we have a standard button, the fields, the frame, and the text. So someone asked how do we get the text? So all the text comes from the style sheet. Okay, so this is working, and now I want to add one more feature by which let's say that even after trying to reset the password, I'm having some trouble and I want to contact the support team. So I want to have a small text here that you can send an email to the support team right here. So let's build that, and for that I'm going to uncomment these lines, and let's do another rake. So now if I go to that page, then I see statement like need more help. To get in touch with our friendly support team, just send an email to support@bigbinary.com. So first let's look at how we produce this text. So first we have q.append UI label more help title label, which is this. Then another label, more help note. So this is the note which says to get in touch with our friendly support team. And then we have q.append a button, more help button, which is on tap. We are doing self-dismiss view controller true. So here on completion, we are dismissing this page, but upon completion, we are saying present email editor. So what does this mean? So what it means is that once I click on it, then upon completion, this code will be executed, and there I have an opportunity to present the email editor. So first let's see it in action. So if I click here, then I get the email editor. Here I can type in the message, testing, and then do send. And then we get this alert. So let's see the code for this. Here, present email editor. This is mf mail compose view controller, which comes with RubyMotion, and I'm asking if it can send mail, because if your mail is not configured, then you will not be able to send mail, and in that case I do an alert saying that your device is not configured. However, if you can send email, then create a mail controller, and to that mail controller, mail compose delegate self. This is the list of recipients you put in your subject. And notice one new thing, which is add presented by. So we do add presented by present view controller, mail controller. So just like when we are going from login screen to the login help screen, we use present view controller. In this case, from this page to the email editor screen, we are using present view controller. So we'll use the present view controller to show the email editor. There is one more method, and this is the callback method. Like anytime we close the email editor, then this method is invoked. Mail compose editor did finish with result, and here we check the result. If the result was compose result sent, then it says thank you for your email, we will get back to you as soon as possible. And just note that result is equal to result sent here does not mean that mail has actually been sent. Say for example, you are in the airplane mode. So in that case, when you send the email, email is queued. It has been successfully queued to be sent at a later time, and even on those cases, it will be the same as the result sent, which means that if and when connectivity is available, email will go out. One last thing I want to mention is that in the rake file, in order to make this class available, this constant available mf mail compose view controller, I had to do require bubble wrap / mail. If you don't want to use bubble wrap, then you can use message UI framework too, and this will work equally well. Let me give that a try. Okay, that worked. And without any of these two, we got an exception, and the exception is uninitialized constant mf mail compose view controller. So that's it for this episode. I'll see you next time. Thank you.